My dudes, my guys, my freaking boys, we are at Southern Maryland Drift today. I'm a judge for the comp, so it's gonna be my first time doing anything like that, so that's pretty fun. I'm gonna try to get some video clips of like grassroots drifting today, a little bit of driver from inside my car. Maybe we'll tandem with some people, chasing people and stuff like that. Let's see how today goes. All right, y'all, here we are. Gonna give it a first rip here with the comp layout. Like I said, I'm a judge for the comp, but it'd be nice to drive it to see, you know, how everything flows and stuff like that. See what we're working with. I also just realized I did not check my tire pressures this morning, so we're gonna see how this goes. All right, that one inner zone is way inside. Wasn't ready for that. I also got to be careful today because I did not bring a lot of tires. All right, so I just ran one. I forgot to record. It's really hard getting into that inner clipping zone, but I kind of got it last time. So let's see if we can get it again. I'm also entering this turn different than what I've seen other people entering. Missed that zone completely. We're deep in this one, like we want to be. Shallow's up right there, which is kind of weird. Got to stay in out here and then like super cut in to get in this one, and then come outside of this one. Yeah, too far out there. This definitely is not the first time this bumper has been ripped off. Every time it pulls these out and I have to repin it in there. So, but this time it looks like we cooked it pretty good. We also broke the bumper on this side, right there. So, gotta watch out for them cones. Let me get this thing set back up.